Hello there, wonderful singers, and welcome to your Kovo vocal exercise of the week. I'm Dr. Julia Nielsen, and I am the founder of Kovo, short for Community Vocalizing, where our mission is to advance singers' vocal health, fitness, and longevity by providing creative vocal exercise routines. This month at Kovo, our vocal exercise theme is kicks, but it is spelled C-I-C-S, which stands for Kovo intervals, chords, and scales. And this week, we are not just dipping a toe into this musical pool. We are going to dive into the deep end and try something that is bold, it is geeky, and not for the faint of heart. So if you are ready to stretch your intonation skills and sing with surgical precision, you are going to love this week's exercise. But let's start with some background. As I am sure you already know, a scale, a musical scale, is a sequence of notes organized by a specific pattern of intervals, typically spanning an octave. In Western music, these intervals are usually whole steps and half steps, but not always. Now, here's a word you might not know. Most of the scales we use in Western music are heptatonic. Heptatonic, which means they have 7 distinct pitches per octave. Think major scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minor scales, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, etc. And all of the Western church modes. But not all scales follow that 7-note model. Some have 5 notes per octave, like the pentatonic scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And some have 8. Which brings us to our vocal exercise of the week. 8 is enough. Is anyone besides me old enough to remember that TV show? No? Well, anyway, we will use that title today to refer to the octatonic scale. An octatonic scale is a symmetrical scale with 8 notes per octave that alternates half steps and whole steps. There are 2 types depending on whether you start with a whole step or a half step. The one that you see here is the half-whole octatonic scale. Now, if you are not a jazz theory nerd, jazz players totally know these scales, or a modernist composer or Igor Stravinsky loved this scale, then why should you bother trying to sing it? Well, the ability to measure and sing half steps and whole steps cleanly and accurately with your voice is like having a finely calibrated musical ruler. It trains your ear and your voice to distinguish the smallest distances between pitches, and that is a big part of what helps singers stay in tune, especially in unfamiliar or modern repertoire. Let me play you what this scale sounds like. Do you want to hear that again? Now, in attempting to sing this, we're going to build the house one step at a time. I will sing a pair of notes and then you echo them back. And we'll label the interval as either a half step or a whole step as we go. So I'm going to sing half step, and then you sing back half step, and then I sing whole step. Your turn. Half step, whole step, half step, whole step, half step, whole step. Let's go just a little faster now. Half step, whole step, half step, whole step, half step, whole step, half step, whole step. Let's go just a little faster now and sing it together as written, so no more call and response. Here we go. Half step, whole step, half step, whole step, half step, whole step, half step, whole step. Can you try it on your own? I will play really quietly in the background to keep you on track. Okay, here's your starting note. Here you go. How did you do? All right, now let's try singing the scale as written. One note at a time, nice and legato. You can use any vowel or syllable that you like. I might sing it on la la la. Here we go. La, 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 la. Can we speed it up just a bit? Here we go. La, 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 la. Now, if we transpose this up a half step, will that totally throw you off? Here is our new starting note. La, 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 la. What about here? Now, if you would like to try, I am here including the chromatic solfege syllables. You'll note these syllables D, Re, Fi, and Li reflect the notes that have been altered from the standard Do, Re, Mi, Fa, So major scale. These are chromatic solfege syllables. Let's go back to the key of C and let's try it here. Do, di, re, mi, fi, sol, la, re, do. Again. Do, di, re, mi, fi, sol, la, re, do. One more time with my help. Do, di, re, mi, fi, la, re, do. Okay, final challenge. Can you sing this on your own, a cappella? Here you go. Good luck to you. Here's your starting note. And did you wind up here or somewhere else? Try it one more time. All right, one final time together. Do, di, re, mi, fi, sol, la, re, do. Phew! You made it. So wipe that sweat that's been collecting on your brow. So this week, I encourage you to play with this exercise and see if you can master the octatonic half-whole scale. And if you want an additional challenge, try singing it descending after you sing it ascending. If you've enjoyed this exercise, we've got more for you. During June, all of our general 30-minute vocal workouts will focus on intervals, chords, and scales, including not just major and minor scales, but whole tone scales, pentatonic, blues, chromatic, modal, and yes, octatonic. If you are not already joining our twice weekly live vocal workouts, we would love to have you. They're completely free. We meet on Zoom every Monday and Wednesday from 6 to 6:30 p.m. Pacific time, and instructions on how to request our free Zoom link are in the description below. If you would like the next vocal exercise of the week to show up in your email inbox, you can find out how in the description below. And finally, singers, remember, regular vocal exercise is crucial for your vocal health, fitness, and longevity. Every time you show up at Kovo, you're going to get a creative vocal workout, expert coaching, and a community of friends to practice with. We'll see you there.